I want to underscore the importance of expectation in our motivation to do things and to make change. And human motivation is driven by the expectation that the effort that I put into anything is going to pay off. And so this really relates to even the Madefor challenges and what those are asking us to do, and our expectations of success and our belief in our ability to make change. And I would even say that our expectations are a better predictor of our success than our effort. And don't get me wrong, effort is important. Effort is definitely critical for making change. But our efforts will be undermined if we don't believe that they'll pay off. This is where self-doubt, this is where we limit our own belief. We call this self-efficacy in psychology. And self-efficacy is the idea that you believe in your ability to achieve the things you set out to achieve, plain and simple. And that belief is really critical to our success. It motivates us, it guides us, it sets us up for reward, and it's the reward that keeps us going.